Yo, yes, some of the new crusading guide or wakrata na num nsem nam de eto so ewo ahanom. Na eye owura ahiagba wono ode nsem akọ de ama Ghana de hye nyina na wo cha se yemfa chitapa entire ban na chi se de be ya nhye pa ode gu akwan mu hwe se ye hu a papa ye nyina no eto betimi etwa na fe no wo yi ye de afri sa wonye hia ne mu no wo betimi aye no wo se ye de chitapa ta na chi a na aban no so betimi aboa wo sa akwan no eso na wonmonyafo Alan Cash wo kokopie mu wo metifido mantem a wode chitapa akoma ne supporter shonko Fadila na watimi aye nenuaba aye no wo chese ene osebo a ekoye edeman wo honom no Alan no vote na chese woje wo honom saa mampani abedi eche Dr. Alhaji Mamadou Bawumia wo se wo mo beyi yen de yanyu afiri ohia bosopo yimu Ghana de hye yanke yakoma mfa nso yeyam obema nneoma nyina koye di ama yen ye bread and butter ye bedi ne se de ye di ayi no yanke yakoma mfa nso yeyam pa lotto operators wo so wo ne aban na enyan wo kira se kwan ya NLF de wo nam so no enya de wo anije wo kura aban ne ntinsimwan na wo mo ema bibia entimi enkoyie ananafo asori atia me akiri mo defo opere me kra nanso so wo mfa ni brade nya wani so se odame emfa oma Abuzafo the new crusading gada ubo ekrata na ni musem na mete aban
na te bokata ya friend say teli Ghanaian guide eni mu hanso wade aba en wates woni onyamfo Alan Kojo Tremantinton edate hine won wogina anum say ya wo hyefugu ne fugu no afa pa enam so wa ya brane nti wogina wanum ahu say ebe emenie Emma no, woman tap and mamma, woman ya tente pa, woman ya brania, woman wefe. Yanin kitty say ya brepa. And to woman pe a mamma a brane, with Tinawa who say yes, why ya bear memu. When ye name the jan, now bra would do a tiffy man tem with our adwa. A walk round podier. When your baby crown were to Nancy. Enipa no abodom pem na afa kura de omo chantie no ala no vote no ala no vote no ala no vote no ala no vote what na en wakate won se eye munya botra na nko ankasa kakro da bi sadi omo chantie na no ano no na adese a one nothing renting wo ma fa no la ya weta wonum fani abeto anum se ya womo chantia fe ewo de bokrata enim ha na sa de bokrata enim ha kro yayi wode onyamfo toti mrekuduka ne mfoni abetoa toti mrekuduka no wakire se sa wo hye gadam se ana se mine na yesi ye ntam no a onye ni se ye tam sa akura no a eye tre se large scale mining etuma.
And the reality in say, some people for here, omo party no, and I say as it is now, omo party no, ebi mu guno. Come to what I say.
I do.
NPP for now, omo from now.
I do.
Omo from now, omo akuma, eji shim party no. Technically, a man for be guno. Technically, a man for be good party no. Captain, what I say?
I do.
And to the extent say MPs threaten the president. Threat.
Yeah.
Threat not as in violent, threatening somebody violently or something. But more threatening, they are questioning the authority of the president. And Captain, say party impending for no Council of Elders. You say we are ben masem die. Nemum what the other side are a political party issue. What they are doing, it borders on the image of the political party. Look at the seemingly banter between Biasa Rochedako and the majority leader.
Yeah.
And some of these things, this Gabi guy, who is he? The Gabi, Captain Metimiaibi. And Yamana Oyano, Metimiaibi. Metimi yet, or yes, sir, because of the president or your direct relative. And Makacho says, Answer Fu Webintina Memi Yokuno. And I've told you the type of eku I'm join.
What catch them say same way tea na won join.
Me join kuo.
Yeah.
Because ye nyina yetimi nye kuo. Ni ye nyina yetimi fe emoja ye mbre emoja ni enko campaign me duru anadwo. E ma bi nkonya accident nwu. A man for the effort no resources. And the party naturally. I am members of the party about do this time. It means I go me a member. Be sure me boss must say go.
Debbie. It's not your member no.
Come to what I say.
This one I don't.
Me see what is happening no.
This one I
don't. People can disagree with me, but technically, party ni image no.
Yeah.
One very person, Captain. Who dey dream who kwa actually. Say obi be na ya appoint him as a minister. Situation na be so critical. No ti ho na ne to afo na na still are you comfortable say oni baby akọ. If not say a family member na president. If not. Now I didn't clear too much. You see the crowd of Riata to see some mummy and Pejan in now you be at the crowd. At the corner and the two sisi no the two sisi no and jumpers or besoreno. You Pejan in now see you be at the crowd. Captain, what I say? When in now processes are coming in now say a waste of resources and precious time.
Yeah.
Waste of resources. Is he telling us say it is a Kotuaba 2024? Now say send the party in Lucia still obey finance minister na.
It's not possible.
Enunti enema ekono. Me dey me say NPP4 mo party no. Captain, my character say enema my political party to me win. One of them near political image.
Yeah.
The image of the political party.
Your friends say one more de trust or music tracks are one more than free in class bank right near mom fu and I say yan teten one moms or my own sadian who said if they are in opposition they come out with good ideas. It say NDC in Kadabia more stay opposition because anytime piano or more opposition and omutimi cancel meaning I can say about free education say they are not against don't NDC last rally 2016 I think stadium. Yeah. Former president Kachre say a lot of African leaders I try some the free education but at the end of the day a collapse of educational system and former president Ankasa don former president Ekachre say one so 2 billion on invest for free education. He sponsored more than 100 adverts against the free senior schools. Meanwhile, so now CSM na mo de buy. Mokra mo Kachre say even Ghana constitution a woman say free education eba. Na mo trokra na NPP for yam participate. More NDC from constitution a woman say free education ba. Na sebi mo timi di nyansa sem nimde ni nyansa we wura constitution mo. Na ye yam participate am say adie we wo mo nyansa sem wo enti implement. Na mo amudi nyansa sem say mo say enti mi adwuma. Don say ye serious as a content in NDC for crown. SNK mo makonya kwa mo mbeka sa already so na TV so. Ye ni kwa SNK mo contest elections kwa. Free education wo na o say former president by Okaso otua 34 Ghana cedis ama 10,000 day students. When say in 2015, that my His Excellency then candidate Nanado Edin birthday Bulare ko interview no. Emma Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo commended former president say indeed his body enshrine our constitution says a free education ba and ameboa. Meanwhile so na e krokro de jono. Meanwhile na e krokro because on your friend said 26 September 2016 and a GES release fees for day students and borders. Now borders 2,000 and day students 8,500. And no so crown and no crown na ya tro na krokro. His Excellency and then candidate Nanado crab former president Abaso. If we say Nanado the greatest ever policy happened to Africans about the Bain and NDC for I commend Nanado that. The greatest policy that has ever happened to Africans. You don't understand I'm telling you, if you don't know, you don't know. The greatest ever policy that has ever happened to Africans. The free
ministry no crown no more policy no NTAG policy.
That's the greatest policy.
I know. Don't.
Why do you describe the